Hi there, this is Miss Emerson. I'm going to show you how to do the second part of the My Country brochure. So for this part of the brochure, we're going to be completing a few different parts here. The first part is going to be the culture. The second part we will complete will be government. The next part we will do is called About Me, and then we will do the largest cities. So this is what we will do today. So I will share the instructions with you and show you how to do this. So you'll be looking at, if I show you the whole thing here, make it a little bigger, these are the things that you need to do. Our learning target today is I can tell about the human geography of my country. This is very important. Make sure that you have finished your human geography notes before you begin. Your human geography notes are here in Schoology. You would also find them on your Google Drive. So either of those places. So it says to complete these sections: culture, government, about me, largest cities. As I said before, it's very important that you finish this human geography assignment. I have shown an example here of the human geography notes. Again, I have a link if you need to go back there to your human geography notes and open those for this assignment today. You will need those. So I have mine open from my Google Drive, and I will make them a little bigger so that you can see what I'm doing. For this part, you should already have most of the information. So you can see here, the first thing that we are supposed to do is the culture. So I will go here to culture in My Country brochure. The first thing you need for culture, right here, is, let's see if I can make this a little bit bigger. It'll let me. You can zoom in. And the first thing that you need for culture in the brochure would be a picture. So what you will do for your country is you will put a picture in from your human geography notes. So you would copy yours, okay, and then paste it here. Whoops, went to the wrong place. We want that over here, and you would paste that here. Okay, now I have a caption: people celebrate the 4th of July. That is an explanation of the picture. So right here I have people celebrate the 4th of July. So that will go over here for this part. Then I wrote a little bit about my country, and since my country is the United States, I typed something saying everybody's family immigrated to the United States from all over the world at one time. Americans, whoops, I need a period there. Americans celebrate Independence Day on July 4th. So this shows people celebrating Independence Day. So I explained a little bit more. Now down here are the 5 important things. If you look on here, you were asked to do 5 important things about your country's culture. Mine is music, rock and roll. So I took this, I cut it, or copied it rather, and I pasted it right here. Okay, So you will paste yours just like that. If it moves, make sure that you move things back so that it looks nicer on here. So you want to make sure that you fit everything on the page. Do not go down here. Keep all of your information up here. So for clothing, I said blue jeans, copy, paste, and there you have blue jeans. Okay? Same with sports. Now, if I go down to government, I will look at what I have written for government. Okay? So now I have finished this section and I'm ready to go on to the government section. So government is back here on this part of the brochure, which is page 1 of the brochure. Okay? Find where it says government. You will take your pictures from here and you will copy and you will paste your picture over here. Okay? 3 things about my government. I wrote a paragraph for mine. In the United States, people vote for their leaders. See here? People choose leaders. I just took this information and I put some of it over here. I need to add, let's see, that we have 3 branches of government. And I can make this smaller if I need to. I'll go up here and make that writing smaller so that I can include more information. I'll make this bigger so you can see it. Okay. So this information here goes in here. Okay, so that's where that is from. And then the same is true for the about me. You will look at your picture, take your picture, copy and paste, and so on. So that is how you will do your brochure. Of course, your cities here, where you were born and where you have lived, are right here. Okay. And then lastly, we're going to do favorite cities. We'll go over here one more time. The largest cities, rather, not favorite. So from here, I should have Chicago, right? Los Angeles and Boston. And take those cities and put them over here where it says largest cities. So that is how you do your human geography for your brochure. Again, you must have this finished first. Once you have all of your information, you will use it for your brochure. Let me know if you have any questions. Do a good job. Bye.